Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Nissan Kicks with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Locate the ignition slot, typically on the right side of the steering column. Insert your physical key completely into this slot. You should feel it click into place, indicating it's fully engaged and ready for the next step. This ensures the car's systems recognize the key. Once your key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise to the ACC position. This powers up accessories like the radio. Next, turn the key further to the on position. You'll see your dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the vehicle's electrical systems are active. Finally, turn the key all the way to the start position and hold it briefly. The engine will crank and then start. Release the key once the engine is running. If your Nissan Kicks doesn't start, first check your battery. A weak battery often results in slow cranking or no cranking at all. Also, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked. If it is, gently jiggle the wheel while turning the key to release the lock. Sometimes, a worn key can also cause issues, so confirm you are using the correct and undamaged key for your vehicle. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems. Maintaining your key can prevent future starting problems. Keep it clean and avoid exposing it to extreme conditions. If your key is old or shows signs of wear, consider getting a spare made. A fresh key can prevent issues with the ignition cylinder. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can truly make a difference in your busy week. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.